Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class. How are you today? I hope everything is fine. Alright, in this occasion, we would like to learn about procedural text. Please, pay attention, and focus to watch the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Who does not like avocado? This fruit is very rich with nutrients and useful for our body. Avocado also can be made a sweet juice and favorite drinking for people. According to the experts, avocado is useful for keeping body's weight, blood pressure, eye health, heart health, and treating constipation.
Siapa yang tidak menyukai alpukat? Buah ini sangat kaya akan kandungan gizi yang bermanfaat bagi tubuh kita. Alpukat juga bisa dibuat dalam bentuk jus dan menjadi minuman favorit banyak orang. Menurut para ahli gizi, buah alpukat bermanfaat untuk menjaga berat badan, mencegah sembelit, mengendalikan tekanan darah, membantu menjaga kesehatan mata dan jantung.
The meaning of procedural text is give information to the audiences on how to make something or how to do something. The purpose of a procedural text is to explain the readers or listeners on how to make, operate, and do something. The generic structure to write procedural text is A. Goal. The goal can be seen from the title. For example, how to make avocado juice, how to operate the computer. B. Materials. The materials that needed to make or do something. For example, for making avocado juice, the materials needed is avocado, water, white milk, chocolate milk, ice cube, and sugar. C. Steps. The steps to make, to operate, and to do something. This part is usually written chronologically, starting from the beginning to the end of goal achieved. Language features of procedural text. A. Use adverbial of sequence, which is like, first, second, third, finally, the last, etc. B. Use imperative sentence, which is like put, wash, pull, turn on, turn off, etc. C. Use adverb to express the detail of time and place, which is like 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, etc. D. Use action verb, which is like make, take, boil, cook. E. Use simple present.
The title of procedural text is How to Make Avocado Juice. The ingredients or materials to make avocado juice. The ingredients or materials to make avocado juice. 3 of the avocado fruits are ripe. 1 sachet of sweetened milk chocolate.
1 sachet of sweetened white milk. Sugar.
Ice cubes. First, prepare the glass for serving avocado juice. Second, take the fruit of the avocado and then divide it into 2 parts.
Scraped away with a spoon and then enter into the blender. Third, add sweetened condensed white milk and white sugar already melted. Fourth, blend avocado fruit with a medium speed until smooth. Fifth, grease the glass with sweetened condensed chocolate milk on the edges. Finally, enter ice cubes into the glass and then pour the avocado juice into it. Avocado juice is ready to be served.